now we've read the Coral Reefs Lightbox book. I'm going to close the record. But now I'm back at the homepage of Destiny, and you need to get back to the collection. Do you remember when we learned about the hamburger, these 3 lines over here? When you click on the hamburger, now you have a menu, and there's a word that says collections. The first collection right now is Coral Reefs. Look for the octopus. And now that we've logged in, the collection looks just a little bit different. The second link in the collection says MyOn Reading. When you click on that, it's going to take you to MyOn, which is the program that we use to read books digitally. So you want to sign in just like you sign in when you read for your classroom. Now that you're logged into MyOn, scroll down to underneath the reader meter. You should see a box that says Projects. Find the projects that's called Coral Reef and click on the blue rocket ship. In the project on the right side, you will see part of the covers of books. On most of these covers, you cannot see the title of the book. To see the full cover, you need to hover over the title and then click Info. The third book, which has the red coral and the yellow fish, is going to be the best book to start with. When you click Info, you will see that the full title is Smithsonian Little Explorer Coral Reefs. So click on Read. The first thing that we see is the title. When you normally open up a nonfiction book, after the title page, what is the first page you will see? The table of contents, of course. Well, in MyOn, it takes you right to the first page of information. To find the table of contents, you need to go over to the right side and click on Other Pages. And here we have the copyright, table of contents, and so on. The table of contents in all of these books about coral reefs are really going to help you find the information that you need. The table of contents in this book specifically asks the same questions you have for your research. Do you want to know why we need coral reefs? Go to page 28 and you'll find the answer. To get to page 28, you will need to close the other pages and return. The slider at the bottom will not allow you to get quickly to that page, so you should use the arrows. As we click through this book, I'm noticing how awesome all of these pictures are. They really get you into the coral reef. Here's the page, Why We Need Coral Reefs. Also in the Other Pages section, you will find the glossary, copyright information, and the index. When you exit the book, it will take you to the project page. You can read some more books, but I'd also like you to notice the Coral Reef News on the left side. This page has news articles about coral reefs. Check out the titles and choose one that you are interested in. I'm really curious about this article called Noise Gives Reef New Life. How can sound help coral reefs? Maybe that could be your research question. Experts find a way to use sound to save coral reefs. Read this article to find out more about that question. As you read the books or articles in MyOn, do not worry about reading the whole book. And you don't need to take the quizzes at the end either. These books are meant to help you with your own research and discovery. If you like taking quizzes, then go ahead. I hope you are ready to learn about coral reefs using ebooks in MyOn.